Hello guys, it's Bree from Miss Camera Crew. This is gonna be a serious video. What to do on a rainy day? Obviously it's not raining, but this is to give you some advice. I'll tell you what I do, and maybe you'll give you an example, idea what to do. Anyway, so what I do on a rainy day, I go play some Mario Kart. Or I sleep, or just eat, or I play computer, or Sims, or something. See, it wouldn't really bother me now. I was riding my home bike from a friend. I wasn't riding my home bike. I was riding my bike home from a friend. I ran into a red lobster. Here. Anyway, doesn't matter. Anyway, so I decided never to go outside again because I swear they like my skin and my blood and it's like putting their poison in me. So, what to do on a rainy day? Do what I told you. Eat, sleep, play Mario Kart, play Skyrim, play Oblivion. Or, what I love to do the most on a rainy day is go outside, play Doubtful Be What? But anyway, so yeah, pretty much it. What to do on a rainy day? I can give more ideas. Read a book, play DS, plant a tree. I don't know. Have fun. Make a pie too. Or brownies.
Brownies.
Cooking. Lindy and oh, that's Anna. She's in our camera crew. Yep. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Like, comment a question or more video ideas that you want me to do, and